Dale? We have a number of questions on protecting Jamaican assets, but they all lead to what is your position on the issue of public access to beaches in Jamaica? And this other one, which ties into that, says we have seen a trend for Jamaican assets being bought out by foreign enterprises. How would you deal with that?
Well, certainly the issue of beach access has become a very vexed issue in Jamaica, because with the investment, the significant investment that has come into the tourism industry, we have reached a point where most of the beaches in Jamaica are basically under the control and ownership of foreign-owned hotels. And although the law says that the beach itself, which is between the low and high water mark, is public land, and anybody can go on that, you can't get to it because the land to access it is privately owned by the hotels. And if you go to Jamaica, unless you're going to pay and stay in a hotel, you're going to find it quite difficult to find a beach, a nice beach to go to, which is really tragic. And it's not the model that has been used elsewhere in the Caribbean, where, you know, tourism is also a major part of the economies there. Barbados, for example, anyone can go on any beach in Barbados. So we are committed to reforming this in a way that would ensure that the Jamaican people have access to beaches. The Beach Control Act, which exists, has provisions in it where the government, the state, can negotiate for rights of way over private land to have access to the beaches. And the owners are entitled to some compensation for that, which has to be assessed in a fair and balanced way. But there are mechanisms in the law for achieving access, which we will have to use if we can't negotiate an acceptable solution to this. And those beaches which are not yet in private hands, but are not in good condition and so on, we would like to spend some time and care and attention to upgrade them and make them accessible to people and so on. And I think every parish must have a very nice beach that our people can go to and feel comfortable and breathe out. And the other issue about assets,